Today's recipe is creamy tomato chicken curry ramen. First, quarter the cherry tomatoes. Slice the chicken tenderloin diagonally into bite-sized pieces. Next, add cherry tomatoes, chicken bouillon, ketchup, salt and pepper, milk, and water, along with the chicken. Simmer until the meat is cooked through. Pour the mixture over a cup noodles and let it sit for 3 minutes. Crush potato chips on top and finish with a pat of butter. Turn your instant noodles into a rich and satisfying meal. Juicy chicken, creamy tomato broth, and a fun potato chip crunch in every bite.